What's the difference between 12/8 and 6/8? Was that 6/8? Was that 12/8? The answer is, it can be both, and honestly, it still trips up musicians. First of all, 6/8 means 6 eighth notes per bar. It's also a compound time. Don't freak out about big words, it's all good. Just means we can break this down into a smaller count. So in this case, in 6/8, we can count 1, 2, because we've got two groups of 3. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can just go 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's perfectly fine. Same thing goes for 12/8, also a compound time. This time we've just got twice as many eighth notes in the bar. So you count to 4 instead of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the $1 million question is, why would you use one over the other? To me, as a drummer, it depends on what the pattern in the groove or the bar is doing. Does it easily repeat after 2 beats or 4 beats? For example, if you were to have this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That nicely fits into that 1-2 pattern. But if you had a longer phrase like this, 1, all of a sudden, it starts to get a bit confusing if you're going 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe not out loud, but especially in notation, because you'd end up with an awful lot of bars. So each time signature, even if it kind of sounds the same, serves a different purpose. This is also the reason you won't commonly see a 3/8 bar, because if you think about it, 6/8 is 2 beats. That's actually only playing with 1 beat. Sometimes you might see them if they're just kind of like a skip bar, or the composer wants to add a little extra something just to spice things up. I might be wrong. Any composers out there, talk to me. But that's what I think. Either way, hope that clears that up for you. Have a great day. Big love. Mwah.